as always happens in this household, plans have changed ever so slightly. I was going to get up in the garage. It has only just got up to 1 degree outside. It's a bit Billy Baltic. I know I've got the heater up there, but I explained the other day about the heater. So the Hobbit has been busy. Tomorrow she starts radiotherapy, so not quite sure what's involved with that, but we will find out tomorrow when she gets home. So today I am making cinnamon raisin bread and just an ordinary sort of loaf bread, but I use a different yeast for that. It doesn't seem to rise, but when you cook it, it does puff up, so it's quite all right. And then I roll them out thin as well, make breadsticks, and the mutts like their breadsticks. They don't have a lot of bread, but they do enjoy their little treat. And I'm going to try and make us some as well. Roll them out thin and see if we can, with the old chocolate spread, what they used to call them, KP choc dips, KP choc dips. If I find a picture, I'll put it up. If you can remember back to those, we're going to try and make them ourselves out of just some breadsticks and some chocolate spread. So that'll be experiment for later. Am I still doing the casserole?
You can if you want.
And I'm not taking that over because we have certain meals in this house. I tend to do pizza. Well, I've got to be careful what I say because the dogs know when I'm talking about food. The Italian round flatbreads, I make them. I tend to do the curries now and the Chinese. The Hobbit seems to do sort of like traditional, like last night we had coq au vin, stroganoff, eh? Pastries, yeah, she's good at pastry. And she normally does the Hairy Biker's sausage casserole. But I think she's worn herself out today. She's changed the bed this morning, done all that washing. You can see it's all hanging up behind me. And other bits and pieces, she's a bit worn out. So I just said, relax and I will do the cooking.
She said, all right then.
And she didn't take a lot of persuading, so she sat down over there now. I might have cocked up on that one, but I'm not taking this recipe off her. I'm just trying it out for tonight. And no, toad in the hole is all yours. She makes a lovely toad in the hole. It rises and it's so bloody, oh, it's lovely. Yeah, toad in the hole's all yours. You can carry on doing that. So yeah, there's not going to be a lot in today's video. So this is the last day of February, 28th of February. So I did say I would do the daily vlog up until the end of February. But what I'm probably going to do, I've got a hell of a lot of videos that I recorded sort of a few months ago. So I might do daily vlogs as and when I can get round to it. And then I shall intersperse those with some of these other videos that I've got already done, ready to go. And get some of them out of the back catalogue. And Sunday night I'll keep as my releasing a proper Ben's Garage video. But if you don't see a daily vlog, it's because, you know, it's one of them things, isn't it? It is very difficult to find things interesting that you think your viewers are going to find interesting. And with this weather at the moment, it's so cold out there. We can't get outside and do anything. You know, I could get up in the garage. I'm planning on getting up there tomorrow. The Hobbit, when's your appointment? Tomorrow. 2:30. 2:30. 2:30. So you'll get picked up at just after 1:30. Yeah. So I might get up in the garage tomorrow morning. If not, I might put out a different video and try and get some of this backlog cleared out. So we'll see how we carry on. There might be more to this video today, there might not. So I will say see you tomorrow, just in case we don't come back. Oh, we're having some now then. Let it cool down a little bit. Oh no. It's the egg.
Yeah.
Smells nice. That'll do.
What do you mean that'll do?
For cooling down. So I'll give them all a quick wash this time. I'll only wipe that one gently, as gently as possible.
It's already out.
We'd better try that one, I suppose.
That's the chef's spoils, not bloody passers-by. Still bloody hot. Just come out of the oven. Verdict? That really is it for this video now. We've had a nice little bit of fruit bread. We've got sausage casserole tonight from the Hairy Bikers. I'll put their recipe down in the description below. Some of you might be interested. It's quite a nice sausage casserole. Yeah, I'll get the recipe and I'll do that. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I don't know if one's gonna come out tomorrow, but you'll have to wait and see. Anyway, catch you later. Bye for now.